1990 Donruss, 48 card rack pack with 3 puzzle cards, 9 puzzle pieces. I guess I'm mispronouncing it by saying Donruss, R-O-S-S, but that's how I've always said it. I guess the appropriate way is Donruss. But that just sounds foreign to me, so I'll probably keep saying Donruss just because it's out of habit. Don't really see anybody too spectacular on the front. And of course, you've got the puzzle pieces covering those cards on the back. All right, let's see what we can find. We're going to do one of these, and then we're going to open up a cello pack of Donruss next, and maybe a couple of wax packs from the box. The cello packs and the wax packs will be from the box. I've already, the one complete set that I've completed so far, out of all of the cards I've opened up and all of the boxes that are works in progress, is a 1990 Donruss set. And I'm somewhat close to completing a second. So maybe these various packs will get me even closer, if not be able to complete it. Well, it sounds like the dryer's finished. All right, we've got Mark Thurmond, Don August, nice, Cal Ripken Jr., we'll take that card, Spike Owen, Bryn Smith, American League All-Star card of Terry Steinbach, Jamie Navarro, Larry Anderson, Lee Guterman, Mike Sharperson, Domingo Ramos, Rick Leach, Tim Tuffle, Jeff Musselman, Paul Molitor, very good on the Paul Molitor, Steve Buechel, our first Karl Yastrzemski puzzle piece, second section is Jerome Walton, Darren Jackson, Francisco Cabrera, and that's going to be a Syracuse Chiefs native right there. We pulled one of his cards from I think we pulled his 1990 Topps card when we did that pack earlier. Mike Pagliarillo, Mike Morgan, Mike Felder, a lot of Mikes, Jim Presley, Sean Hilligus, Mark Lemke, Vance Law, Donruss Diamond Kings of Pete O'Brien, love the DKs, always put him up on the stand there, Jeff Treadway, get this one over, there we go, Ron Darling, Scott Sanderson, Steve Lyons, our second Karl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Third section, Jeff Parrott, Jerry Brown, Franklin Stubbs, Lloyd Mosby, Fernando Valenzuela, rest in peace to him, passed away not too long ago, phenomenal pitcher, Randy Velarde, rated rookie of Julio Machado, nice, MVP of Hojo, big fan of Howard Johnson, and that's going to be a bonus card, John Smiley, MVP of John Smoltz, very cool on that, Mike Lacoste, Paul Gibson, Rick Mahler, George Brett, loving that card, we'll take it, Gary Ward, Tim Drummond, and finally our last Karl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Sounds like the dryer is a little impatient. Well, we'll get to it. Cards we picked up are George Brett, very nice. Fernando Valenzuela, rest in peace to him. What was he up to on the strikeout count in 1990? 1,644. And we got Paul Molitor, who shared his rookie card with my favorite player, Alan Trammell. back in 1978. That was their rookie. MVPs, we've got John Smoltz, Hojo, and then we picked up Cal Ripken Jr.'s base card. Real happy about that. And for the DK, Pete O'Brien. There you have it, folks. 1990 Donruss 48-card rack pack with 3 puzzle pieces. And what's going on here? What do we got? We need to get these cards in the right order. There we go. All right, stay tuned. We're going to pull a cello pack out the box next.